वेस्ट बंगाल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली 2021 का प्रेस मीट कल ईसीआई ने किया है। एज पर द अनाउंसमेंट कलिम्पोंग 22 एसी का इलेक्शन हम लोगों का 5th फेज में पड़ता है। डेट ऑफ इशू ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन 23 मार्च होता है। लास्ट डेट ऑफ मेकिंग नॉमिनेशन is 30th March. Date of scrutiny will be 31st March. Last date of withdrawal 3rd April. Date of poll will be 17th April. Date of counting is 2nd May and date of completion of the entire election process will be 4th May. हम लोगों का जनरल डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोफाइल है। दिस इज अ सिंगल एसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड वी हैव अ पोलिंग स्टेशन ऑफ 301 in which 261 are the main polling stations, 40 are the auxiliary polling stations, but this will be with the same main polling station premise only. Because of maintenance of COVID protocol, हम लोगों का 1050 के ऊपर जो पोलिंग बूथ में इलेक्टर्स था उसको डिवाइड करके हम लोग ऑक्सिलरी पोलिंग बूथ बनाया है। हम लोगों का पोलिंग प्रीमाइस होगा 221। इसमें अर्बन एरिया में दैट इज कलिम्पोंग म्यूनिसिपैलिटी में 22 लोकेशन में पोलिंग बूथ रहता है एंड रूरल लोकेशंस विल बी 199। हम लोगों का पोलिंग स्टेशन, हाउ मेनी पोलिंग स्टेशंस आर सिचुएटेड इन अ पर्टिकुलर पोलिंग लोकेशन, द डिटेल इज इन 2 ऑफ द प्रीमाइसेस में हम लोगों का 5 पोलिंग स्टेशंस रहता है। इन 3 पोलिंग लोकेशन में 4 polling stations रहता है and at 9 locations 3 polling stations will be together. At 45 locations में 2 polling stations will be together and the rest 162 will be single polling station locations. हम लोगों का 15th जनवरी में जो फाइनल पब्लिकेशन हुआ था उसके ऊपर टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोटर्स विल बी 2,09,755। उसमें मेल वोटर्स होगा 1,03,961, फीमेल वोटर्स होगा 1,05,793। यहाँ जेंडर रेशियो 1018 फीमेल वोटर्स पर 1000 मेल वोटर्स, सो इट इज़ अ फीमेल वोटर डोमिनेंट असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी। हम लोगों का 301 पोलिंग बूथ्स में अशोर्ड मिनिमम फैसिलिटी का काम अभी चल रहा है। हर एक पोलिंग स्टेशन ग्राउंड फ्लोर में ही है। वहाँ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, सफिशिएंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड लाइटिंग, टॉयलेट, रैम्प, इसका प्रोविज़न हम लोग इंश्योर करेंगे बाय 10th मार्च तक हम लोग उसको इंश्योर कर देंगे। हम लोगों को पोलिंग पर्सनल का ट्रेनिंग फर्स्ट राउंड ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो चुका है। अभी मापअप ट्रेनिंग भी अभी चल रहा है। हर एक पोलिंग पर्सनल को प्रायोरिटी वैक्सीनेशन, कोविड वैक्सीनेशन का provision भी रखा है। ऑलरेडी अराउंड 30% of the polling personnel have got themselves first dose of COVID vaccination. And हम लोगों का कलिम्पोंग म्यूनिसिपैलिटी में 30 पोलिंग स्टेशंस विल बी फीमेल पोलिंग स्टेशंस, टोटली विल बी manned by female polling personnel. That will be a model polling station of Kalimpong Assembly constituency. Free and fair election conduct करना, maximum voter participation will be the request of our election machinery. Voting for better Kalimpong, that is our motto. इसके लिए हम लोग 25 जनवरी वोटर्स डे, नेशनल वोटर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करने के दिन से अनेक एक्टिविटी शुरू किया है। हम लोग माइकिंग करते हैं। ई एपिक, दैट इज़ डाउनलोडिंग ऑफ द एपिक कार्ड by the first time voter, that is getting encouraged, and we have painted the EVM machine in front of the Thana also. This are all to strike the eyes of the voters. They should come forward and vote. हम लोगों का voting percentage in the last 2 elections are around 71%. We request all the voters of Kalimpong to come forward and increase the voting for a stronger democracy and better Kalimpong. MCC election announcement से चालू हो जाता है. It is not only for the political party, it is for everyone conducting the elections also. Voters, if they find any complaint, they can call 1950. That is our voter helpline number. And there is one 24/7 control room number भी है. That is 86175 42776. That is our 24/7 control room number. So anybody find any MCC violation, they can file their complaint by calling these numbers, or C-Vigil. That is an app that can also be used by sending a photograph or sending a video through that mobile app. Special features of this election is COVID management. Because of this COVID protocol, postal ballot option is extended to above 80 years of voters and also physically challenged voters. Apart from that, COVID positive and COVID suspect people can also exercise their voting right through postal ballot. For that, since the day of announcement, we are giving the Form 12D to the already identified PWD voters and above 80 years of, senior citizens. ये उन लोगों को टिल द लास्ट डे ऑफ नॉमिनेशन तक हम लोग देख पा रहे हैं. हम लोगों का अराउंड 5,500 identified such category of voters are there. They will be getting, they can exercise their option. If they exercise this option, the postal ballot will be given to them through it is an entirely election process, and the polling party will reach their house. Election officer will be there, police officer will be there, videographer will be there. With that facility, they can exercise their postal ballot. If they don't want, they can come to the polling booth as usual and they can exercise their voting right. COVID protocol nomination से ही शुरू हो जाता है. Previously, 5 members were allowed for filing their nomination, but this time we are allowing only 2 persons for nomination, and 2 vehicles will be allowed within 100 meters of perimeter within this office. Nomination will be taken in the Trisem Hall of, this is the same hall where the nomination will take place. RO and SDO Kalimpong will take the nomination papers. And this time, for maintenance of COVID protocol, booth sanitization is a priority for us. The voters will be standing in the queue following physical distancing, and everybody's temperature will be screened, and if somebody is found to be having a higher temperature, they will be given a slip and they can give their vote at the last hour, that is after 5 o'clock. They can come back and vote. It is a priority time for the COVID suspect and COVID positive voters. Political parties and everyone are requested to follow the MCC guideline. Expenditure monitoring cell in our administration has started functioning since the day of announcement of the election. 30.8 lakh is the maximum cap of expenditure per candidate. Observers, when they reach our Kalimpong Assembly constituency, their numbers will also be shared with everyone for any kind of clarification or complaints with them. Our Assembly constituency is a 100% EPIC coverage constituency. So everybody is having an EPIC. Continuous updation is also being done. Now also people are applying for EPIC card as per criteria. They will also be given EPIC cards. So they can come for voting with their EPIC card. Apart from that also, there are certain identified documents, identification documents that can also be used for voting. And we request this election to be very eco-friendly. We have requested the political parties that whatever the campaign material they are using must be eco-friendly, and the single-use plastic and other things may be avoided for the election campaign purpose. And everybody should respect the right of the other political party and the voting right of every common citizen. So maximum participation of the voters, that is the request of the election machinery Kalimpong. Thank you.